Hey guys, so I just wanted to give y'all a quick tour of this car. So this is the current car that I went ahead and got. As you can see, man, even though it's smaller, it ain't too half bad though. This car is excellent on gas. When I talk about excellent, I'm talking like literally less than $15 to fill this baby up, man. Crazy savings. Dashboard, touchscreen dashboard. Also has Apple Play as well to it. Let's go ahead and turn on this ignition. Go ahead and get it started up. All right, turn it up. So you got the Apple Play already available. They got the Android Play as well. Get everything set up for your actual, let me turn this down. All right, so yeah, so basically runs and turns on well. I already got 11,000 miles on this car, and I bought it for only 9,000 when it came with it. So I've been giving it some real test drive for real, just across the way. I already been to 2 other states in this car, and when I talk about literally one fill up can literally ride the whole trip, is basically what this car saves you. So excellent gas mileage on the highway and as well as in the city. I believe you can get about 43 on the highway mile per gallon, and I think about 39 to 40 in the city. So I mean, fantastic savings, man. So already has everything, has the backup camera. Go ahead and show y'all real quick. Got the backup camera, so everything it could be a little bit more clear. Hopefully the video is not showing it justice. The camera is it's kind of low quality in comparison to my Camry, but even still, I mean, it's just enough for you to basically get your point as far as the sensor. I mean, for the most part, excellent car. Got cruise control on here, cruise control. Then it has, you know, again, your voice, Bluetooth capabilities inside. So, I mean, as far as the compact, yeah, it is smaller, but I mean, I'm about 6 foot, and honestly, it doesn't give me any bad comfort. I mean, for me driving. Now, the car is really smooth. Like, there's no real issues as far as, you know, the acceleration and things like that. The only thing I do notice that when it does start to drive is that it does take some time to pick up. So it is a slower motion vehicle, just so you know. But I mean, if you're in a small town or a rural town, it's a perfect car. And even still, it does great even on the highway. So it's not something you're gonna have to worry about, really. For those of you that are interested on how the comfort is in the back seat, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so now we're going into the back seat. Just real quick, show y'all. All right, so as you can see here, pretty good decent leg room back here. I mean, for the most part, you know, for a car this small, I mean, you know, there's definitely some comfort back here, especially for you to stretch out your legs a little bit, you know, depending on, and this car actually on this seat, because I'm on the driver's side, you know, the seat is already pushed all the way back. So I still got plenty of leg room, just in, you know, someone who's tall that got the seat pushed all the way back can be able to still have some leg room back here. So don't like, unfortunately, is that we don't have an armrest here. But there is attachments that you can buy online. I did see on Amazon where you can be able to purchase it. I'll actually leave a link below. As you can hear right now, it's not that loud. Hopefully you can't hear it from the background noise, but it runs and sounds fine. I know people have said online that it's really loud, but it don't sound loud. You know, it's a smaller cylinder engine, so yeah, you may hear a little bit more noise comparison to another vehicle that's bigger, but for the most part, it runs and feels great when I drive it. All right, guys, so I basically just giving you just my review of the car. I think it's a great mileage car for someone who's looking to get around from point A to point B. If you're looking for something more stylish or something more luxurious, then this definitely is not a car that you would probably pick out as your first choice. But for someone who's maybe a college student, or maybe, you know, someone that's just, you know, not really impressed by vehicles and just want to get the job done for a very efficient cost, this is definitely a car that you want to definitely consider as a pickup, because I guarantee you, with the amount of mileage savings that you're getting alone just in gas, is a no-brainer. You know, I was paying anywhere between $23 to up to $30 per fill up on my last car. And now, you know, with this particular vehicle, it only costs me literally less than $15 to pay for gas on this vehicle. So I'm just telling you, just in over 50% of savings is just enough to really get it down to the nitty gritty of you actually being able to take care of your responsibilities, such as debt, or even adding more income into your investment accounts. And my testimony, guys, to let you guys know that something that was meant to be bad in my favor, that I felt discouraged about, me losing my car, actually put me in a better position, because the fact is, I paid for a car literally in cash. And then not only that, I was able to pay for cash, but I actually got a newer year model car that also had lesser miles than the actual car that I had just lost. So from all the savings that I got along, I just give all glory to God for this, because again, you know, I'm looking at the situation as, yeah, I lost something, but I also learned to not put my focus on tangible values such as cars, because it's just as quick as you can have it, you can also lose it. I also am teaching ways on how I was able to pay off my car in 1.5 years. If you want to learn tips on how to be able to do so, make sure you actually check out this other video where I go into details and how I actually was able to pay off my last car in 1 year and 7 months to be exact. So I hope the guys got the value out of this, and maybe looking at this car video and saying, man, I'm glad I made the purchase that I'm purchasing, or maybe just interested in learning about this vehicle. I hope you got this video to get you encouraged to purchase this car. I definitely recommend it, and it definitely gets the job done for those of you, you know, that are on a mission to not impress, but to achieve your personal goals in life. All right, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Aquarius Beverly signing off, and I'll see you guys at the next following video. Peace.